Looking for the best Rivet Nut tool in 2026? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best Rivet Nut tools of 2026, featuring heavy-duty, compact, and cordless options for automotive work, construction, metalworking, and DIY projects. We'll compare their build quality, ease of use, versatility, and overall performance to help you find the right Rivet Nut tool for your needs.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Rivet Tool. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Rivet Tool, DCF414GE2, is a powerful, professional-grade rivet tool designed for fast and efficient fastening. Its brushless motor delivers up to 4,500 lbf of pulling force and can handle aluminum, steel, and stainless steel blind rivets in 3/16 inch, 15/64 inch, and 1/4 inch sizes. It offers up to 300 rivets per charge, while the 1.18 inch stroke length allows many rivets to be installed in a single pull. The tool also features tool-free nosepiece changes, onboard mandrel storage, an integrated LED work light, and comes with two 20V power stack batteries, a charger, replacement jaws, 3 nose pieces, a belt hook, and a kit bag. Number 2. Upgraded Cordless Rivet Gun. The EXORM Upgraded Cordless Rivet Gun is a brushless electric rivet tool designed for use with compatible 20V max batteries. It features a high-torque motor, automatic clamping and mandrel ejection, a reverse function for clearing jams, and an integrated LED light for working in darker areas. The kit includes 3 interchangeable nosepieces for 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch aluminum rivets, along with 50 mixed rivets, an adjustment wrench, and work gloves. At around 3.56 pounds, its relatively lightweight design makes it suitable for various riveting applications, including home renovation, automotive assembly, metalwork, and light-duty projects. Number 3. WOBANK Rivet Nut Tool Kit, 16-inch Rivnut Tool. The WOBANK 16-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit, WRNTK01, is a heavy-duty manual Rivnut kit designed for fastening metal plates and pipes. It includes 12 metric and SAE mandrels, covering sizes from M3 to M12 and several SAE sizes, along with 230 rivet nuts, a multifunction wrench, gloves, and a carrying case. Its long handle connecting rod design is intended to reduce effort, while the carbon steel construction and heat-treated handles provide durability. The kit also features an automatic release mechanism, ergonomic rubber-coated handles, and organized storage boxes, making it a versatile option for automotive, construction, electronics, maintenance, and DIY applications. Number 4. 8-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit. The 8-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit is a compact, one-handed Rivnut tool designed especially for fastening jobs in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The kit includes 8 mandrels covering M3, M4, M5, M6, 6-32, 8-32, 10-24, and January 4th, 20 sizes, plus 160 rivet nuts, a step drill, multifunctional wrench, gloves, and an operation manual. Its right-angle design and force-saving lever help reduce the grip required during riveting, while the alloy steel construction, reinforced aluminum body, and non-slip PVC handle provide durability and comfortable handling. A blow-molded carrying case keeps the mandrels and rivet nuts organized, making this kit a versatile option for automotive, electronics, construction, furniture, cabinets, and other fastening applications. Number 5. AOBEN 14-inch Rivet Nut Tool. The AOBEN 14-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit, AB7002, is a professional-style manual rivet nut setter featuring a quick-change head and 6 interchangeable mandrels. Its 14-inch steel arms and double compound hinges are designed to provide increased leverage while keeping the tool more compact than a 16-inch model. The kit includes mandrels for M6, M8, M10, January 4th, 20, May 16th, 18, and March 8th, 16 rivet nuts, along with 90 rivet nuts and 2 mandrel lock pins. Made from heat-treated alloy steel, it is designed for durability and corrosion resistance, while the included compact carrying case keeps the components organized.